If you don't know by now, you'll never know. If you don't know by now, we've all got to grow somehow, else we'll never grow. If we don't grow somehow, you're like some Japanese soldier who doesn't know the war is over, attacking all that comes ashore. Though you've forgotten what you're fighting for, look around, we mean no harm. Come on, surrender, throw down your arms. This is all you've known till now. It's all you'll ever know. This is all you've known till now. And if it hasn't shown by now, it'll never show unless you're shown somehow. You're like some Japanese soldier who can't believe the war is over, still clinging on to all you know. It's so tight you'll never let go.